DJI Mavic 3 Pro. I guess I will now have to remove the DJI Mavic 3 Classic that I added to my cart and was saving towards. Let me remove this from my cart. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I am Chevaughn Beckford, and in this video I will be talking about if the release of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is relevant or irrelevant right now. Stay tuned. So as I was saying, DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which was released about a week ago, we have a micro four thirds sensor Hasselblad like what we have on the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Cine, and also the Mavic 3 Classic that was released last year, a couple months ago. So the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is currently being sold for $2,199. That's the standard package. Then you have the Fly More combo, $2,999. Then you have the Fly More combo with the RC Pro, which is this nice controller right here, and that package is for a whopping $3,889. Then you have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine with the DJI RC Pro for $4,799, and they have this package being promoted as the premium package, which is the package to own as a professional cinematographer, filmmaker. This is the package you would be more attracted towards, because with the Cine version, you know you're getting ProRes on the drone, the 1TB SSD, similar to what we saw on the Mavic 3 Cine, which was released, I think it was 2021. Yeah, similar to that one. This would be the 3 Pro version to that one, which I'm thinking this is kind of confusing, because when the Mavic 3 lineup of drones were released, which comprised of the flat Mavic 3 and the Mavic 3 Cine, we all thought the Mavic 3 Cine was like the Pro variant of the Mavic 3 drones. And then last year they released the Mavic 3 Classic with only one camera. They removed the telephoto camera because a lot of persons were saying it's irrelevant, gimmicky, and gave us a more usable and average package of what we would expect from a Mavic drone at a very affordable price. And now a couple months later, they slap us with a brand new lineup of Mavic 3 drones, calling them the Mavic 3 Pro lineup of drones, which is kinda slapping us in the face, if you ask me, because a lot of us were saving either to get the Mavic 3 Classic or the Mavic 3 Cine, which were released earlier, and now we have a Mavic 3 Pro. And the price of the Mavic 3 Pro is kinda absurd, because when the Mavic 3 Cine was released, it was going for around $4,000 something, and now we have the Mavic 3 Pro Cine Premium for $4,799. So anyone who purchased the Mavic 3 Cine kind of made a redundant purchase because of this. And well, it's a give and take situation, because you can always sell your Mavic 3 Cine and upgrade to the Mavic 3 Pro Premium version, and you won't really be losing out on anything. You would get the extra upgrades, tweaks, that bigger gimbal, the more cameras, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is almost the same. I think the main sensor is the same. The only difference would be that extra zoom camera and maybe some tweaks and upgrade to the first zoom camera. So there are now 3 cameras instead of 2 on the first release of Mavic 3 drones. To be honest, I was really expecting DJI to release an Air 3 drone, maybe because the Air 2 was released all the way back in 2020, and the Air 2S was released in 2021. It is now 2023, and they have a 2-year time span where they release Air drones. Well, currently, because the first generation of Air was released in 2018, then the Air 2 in 2020. So I was expecting an Air 3 in 2022 or even 2023, since they released the Air 2S in between. But I guess they think we need a Mavic 3 Pro instead of a new Air, and ironically they released an Inspire a couple of weeks prior to this drone. So DJI is kinda pushing out these drones faster than we're even being booked by clients to capture content. This is this is crazy. Imagine having to keep up to date with new drones every 6 months. Well, you don't have to buy drones as they arrive, but as filmmakers we are tempted to get the latest of equipment to stay up to date and to get the best of what we can get when capturing content, to better please our clients and to also keep our content on par with what all the pros are offering within the industry, so we don't get unbooked. And I don't really think you should go ahead and upgrade to the DJI Mavic 3 Pro just yet. If you have the Mavic 3, any one of the Mavic 3s, such as the 3 Cine, 3 Classic, you can maybe wait a few more months and maybe sell it and add some more cash and get the 3 Pro. But if you want to get it right away, let's say you have the flat 3 or the 3 Classic, you can go ahead and maybe sell it, get some more cash and get the 3 Pro to make use of that ProRes and that 1TB SSD to make your flying easier and your editing easier. But if you have the 3 Cine, it's a give and take and personal preference to upgrade, but it doesn't really warrant you to upgrade to the 3 Pro. If you're someone like me who has the DJI Air 2S since 2021 and you want to upgrade to a drone, then this might be a good time to upgrade to get the Mavic 3 Pro. Or if you have the Mavic 2 Pro or DJI Air 2 or maybe a small drone and want to upgrade to something more professional, you can go ahead and get the Mavic 3 Pro. But to me, to be honest, I don't think this is a very important reason for you to jump to get a new drone, because the upgrades are minimal. There's only an extra camera when compared to the Mavic 3 Cine, which was released in 2021 or 22. I'm not sure. I think it's 2021. It's 2021. So yeah, I don't think it warrants an upgrade, and that's my opinion. Let me know in the comments if you will be upgrading to the Mavic 3 Pro or you will be keeping your current drone just a tad bit longer. I'm Chevaughn Beckford. Please hit that subscribe button if you found this video insightful, and if you want to see more videos like these, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button so the algorithm can like me. Chevaughn Beckford, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.